Today's topic is protocol, URL, requirements to access internet, ways to connect internet, and administration of the internet. Protocol. A protocol is a standard set of rules that allow electronic devices to communicate with each other. These rules include what type of data may be transmitted, what commands are used to send and receive data, and how data transfer are confirmed. It can be defined as the set of rules governing the syntax, semantics, and synchronization of communication. Protocols may be applied by hardware, software, or a combination of the two. TCP/IP protocol, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. The primary protocol of Internet is TCP/IP protocol. TCP is responsible for connection-oriented transmission and IP is responsible for connectionless transmission that represent logical address of the host machine. FTP, the File Transfer Protocol, is a standard network protocol used for the transfer of computers' files between a client and server on a computer network. HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is the protocol used to transfer data over the web. It is part of the Internet Protocol suite and defines commands and services used for transmitting web pages data. HTTP uses a server-client model. It is a protocol that is used to transfer information on the www. It defines how messages are formatted, transmitted, and what action web server and browser should take in response to various commands. Its main purpose is to provide a way to display and retrieve HTML pages. URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator and is used to specify addresses on the World Wide Web. A URL is the fundamental network identification for any resource connected to the web. It identifies the location of a website or a web page on the internet. Each web page has a unique address called URL that identifies its location on the internet. Web browser utilizes the URL to open or retrieve files on the internet. Absolute URL. Absolute URL are the URL with complete internet address specifying the location of a resource. An absolute URL includes protocol, host, path, and name of the resource. Relative URL. A relative URL is not fully complete, but it inherits the protocol, host, and path information from its parent document. Relative URL are used to refer links on the same server as the page that contains them. Most of the web pages are identified by relative URL, where hyperlinks point to documents and other files which are located on the same site. Requirement to access internet. Computer. To get connected to the internet, one can use computer with a considerable speed. Modem. Short for modulator demodulator. A modem is a device or program that enables a computer to transmit data over, for example, telephone or cable lines. Computer information is stored digitally, whereas information transmitted over telephone line is transmitted in the form of analog waves. The sending and receiving ends of the communication must have a modem. A modem is a computer peripheral device which modulates, means converts digital signals to analog signals from the transmitting workstation, and demodulates, means converts analog signals into digital signals at the recipient's workstation over communication channel. It stands for modulator demodulator. Modem can be internal or external. Nowadays, mobile phones also have inbuilt devices which helps to access internet through it. Communicating media. All internet signals travel over a communicating media like telephone wires, radio waves, satellite signals, etc. Access right. There are several internet service providers that provides accessibility to use internet services from their server. Some ISP are BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, MTNL, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, Reliance Jio etc. An internet service provider usually supplies communication access rights with a username and password. Web browser. A web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. To use internet, a software that is a web browser is needed, which is installed in the computer to access internet and its services. Ways to connect internet. Dial-up connection. It is a type of connectivity that uses telephone lines to connect to the internet. It was a commonly used connection for home PCs to connect to the internet. In this type of connection, the speed of data transfer is lesser in comparison to broadband, and the internet connectivity has to be established each time whenever a user switches on the computer. Broadband connection. It is a type of connectivity which connects without disturbing the use of telephone lines simultaneously. Broadband in telecommunication is a term which refers to broadband width. It is a signaling method which handles a relatively wide range of data transfer at a higher speed. It is faster than dial-up connection. Broadband connection can be established by three media: cable, DSL, digital subscriber line, and satellite. Wireless networks that support internet connection. Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. It stands for wireless fidelity. It is a type of network that supports data communication without the use of wire-based media. For Wi-Fi to work, the user needs broadband internet connection at base, which is connected to wireless router, which relays the internet connection that is received by the PC with wireless internet card or external wireless adapter. Such network can establish connection in a range of 100 to 300 feet. WiMAX, Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access, is a bigger form of connection in comparison to Wi-Fi. It enables to provide wireless access up to 50 km. To establish WiMAX, a tower called WiMAX base station is required. It is smaller to a cell phone tower. The internet connectivity to an end user is provided through microwave link between the tower and the user. Bluetooth. It is a wireless network connectivity that provides a way to connect and exchange information between devices like mobile phones, laptop, etc. over a secure and private short-range network. Administration of the Internet, IAB, Internet Architecture Board. It is responsible for approving standards and allocating resource over Internet. IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force. It holds discussion and investigate the operational and technical problem of Internet. IANA, Internet Assigned Number Authority. It is operated by ICANN, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. It overviews IP address allocation and management of domain name system. ADNR, Accredited Domain Name Registrars. It provides the registration service to Internet community. Services on Internet is not owned or governed by any particular body or organization. It is coordinated by many volunteer organizations. Many types of operational activities are performed and managed by different voluntary organizations for purpose coordination of Internet functioning.